Today we will discuss about the angina. Angina means reversible chest pain. Reversible chest pain. Why? Due to decreased blood supply to the heart muscle. And why there is decrease in blood supply? Due to the blockage of coronary artery. Blockage of coronary artery. In this diagram, the red color is coronary artery, and we all know the coronary arteries are two types: left coronary artery and right coronary artery. And this left and right coronary artery are supplying the whole of the heart muscles. It is right coronary artery and it is the left coronary artery, the branchings of the left coronary arteries. Now come to the types of the angina. First important type is stable angina. It is also known as classical angina. And here there is coronary artery blockage which is not more than 70%, that is less than 70%. So let it is the vessels, coronary artery, and here is endothelium. Let it is the endothelium, and atherosclerotic plug is under the endothelium. It is atherosclerotic plug. So there is compromised blood supply through this coronary artery. Okay, so there is no chest pain in the rest, no chest pain in the rest, but when we are doing exercise or any type of mental stress, it causes the increased blood supply to the heart muscle, and there is no adequate supply of blood through this coronary artery. So there is ischemic pain, that is known as angina. And why? Due to the decrease or inadequate blood flow. So now come to the second subtype, that is vasospastic angina. What is vasospastic angina? It is also known as Prinzmetal angina. Prinzmetal angina. And there is spasm of this coronary artery. So here spasm of coronary arteries causes the compromised blood supply. Spasm of coronary artery. So spasm of coronary artery cause the decreased blood flow. So these coronary arteries undergo in spasm, so there is decrease in blood flow. And now come to the third variant, that is unstable. It is very bad. Why? Because there is greater than 70% of blockage. So what happened in the rest? There is chest pain. Now come to the diagram. It is in our endothelium, and there is so much atherosclerotic plug. So there is very much decrease in blood supply. So what happened? There is increased turbulence. It is associated with damage to the endothelium. So when blood is passing, it causes the damage of this endothelium, and there is expose of subendothelial collagen. and it causes the increased attachment to the platelet. So there is thrombus formation, that is platelet rich thrombus formation, and this causes the further decrease in blood supply, and it is associated with myocardial infarction, that is irreversible, as there is complete blockage of coronary artery. Coronary artery, and antiplatelet drug like aspirin is indicated here.